Welcome to OpenOffice video. I am Maarten and today we are going to show you how to copy existing formulas. Because sometimes you want to you create one formula and you want to use it for a whole number of cells, and then it's much easier to just create it once and then copy it. So first we'll create the formula. Let's say we want to calculate the sales percentage, which is basically the profit made divided by sales. And then we create a percentage. Well, that's quite a nice profit for January. And we want to calculate the same, we want to do the same sum for all of the months. Now, this is actually very easy. We just drag it here and we click in the corner until the plus appears and we just drag down. We missed one, so we just drag that one down. Now what happens here? It says an error, I can't divide by 0. This is actually 0 divided by -10, so that doesn't work. Okay, so let's just, to fix this, create a very minute sales for June. Actually, apparently somebody found a quarter under the cash register. So what happens now? It says I can calculate this in the sum, but the figure has too many numbers to fit in the cell. So if we just double click here, it will automatically adjust the column width to the amount of numbers on the amount of digits required to fit in the cell. Okay, this is actually a bogus number. So this is how you actually copy a basic formula. Now let's say what we want to do is we want to calculate how much the profit from each month is from the total sales. Because this is, well, let's just put it here, monthly profit percentage. Now let's say profit from total sales. And what I'm actually want to say is I want to say monthly profit from total sales. So first to calculate this, first we calculate the total sales for the year is sum, bracket open, drag, and now we can close the bracket. But what we can actually also do is just hit enter and it will immediately understand that there needs to be another bracket. Now first, for the first month it's easy. This is the profit for January divided by total sales. And then we create a percentage from it. Now if we do the same as we did last time, we will hit a problem. I'll show you. If we just put the mouse in the corner again until we see the plus sign and drag down, we get an error because Calc we instructed Calc now to divide by 0. I'll show you. If I select this month and I click here, this is actually a very neat trick to check your formulas because it will show colored boxes. You see C3 is there, this is what we want. But it also takes B14. That's not what we want to do. But what we want is that it always picks B13. What we can do this is by inserting a $sign before the 13. Now it says this is basically if it copies, it moves down. But what we tell Calc now is by putting a $sign before anything is don't change the cell reference. You see, here it has changed the C3, it has changed the B3 into the C3. No, that's nonsense what I'm saying. It has changed C2 into C3, but not the B12. So that's what we want to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.